Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Printify to TikTok shop. But before we start, make sure to following the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, make sure you have account on both Printify and TikTok shop. Next, log in into Printify and you will see the dashboard. Connect Printify to TikTok shop. Create a new store by clicking my new store in the top left corner. Then again click on my new store here, choose the TikTok as the sales channel. You will need to be user resident for this. You can choose to create a new store or continue using an existing Printify store. Name your store and click connect. Make sure you have TikTok seller. Make up take box sign. You have TikTok shop account also. Ensure you have selected the seller shipping option in TikTok shop. Then click connect. After they will need to authorize your account. Choose North America seller and verify your ID. If you have already entered your shop information honestly, then click the authorize button and done. Printify TikTok shop will be connected. And how you can connect Printify TikTok. Thanks guys for watching this video.